Hey guys, welcome back to Cottonwood Hill Farms. So the intro on this video got screwed up. The sound turned out all right, but the video did not. I'm not sure how I screwed that up. But anyway, in this video, what we're going to be doing is finishing up third crop, getting it baled, and then we're going to be baling the south side of the horseshoe that we got raked the other day. And then we're also going to rake and bale the that foxtail grass mix that we got cut the other day. And we've had some issues, if you guys have been following, with the baler, the round baler. We finally get that figured out, and there was a couple things we had to get replaced on it, and we had to tweak a few things, but we did get it figured out. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy.
Pretty windy outside. I don't think you can hear me very well. Let's go more closer. Beautiful day out. Hope you guys have a beautiful day at your house too. Oh, you got that. Coming really close. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go catch up to him, hop back in the cab, ride with him, and yeah, bye. Well, we'll see you later. It's perfect.
I think we may have figured this out. I think part of the problem was, that belt, and I got that belt fixed. And then the other one was, I think I was just under my RPMs that I needed. So I upped my RPMs, and that seems to take care of the issue. And so I'm pretty excited. This 2 good bales in a row that it's wrapped. I've got a couple nasty ones over there, but that's all right. We can work with that. So that's pretty exciting. I think we got this figured out. wound up with 8 bales off of those 2 spots, which is about a bale more than what I was expecting, so that's good. But now I'm gonna get to, well, and the baler, we figured the baler out and it's working now, so that's pretty awesome. So now I'm gonna get to raking that other 5 acres of foxtail grass, whatever you want to call it. And I'm guessing we're gonna have 8. Let's see. I'm gonna guess 8.5 bales. I'm gonna say 8.5 bales. That's what we're gonna have. Up, we're gonna head back out and get it baled up. Hopefully we don't have any issues. We can get this done in a timely fashion. All right, so we got 15 bales. I was off. I told you there was more here than I thought, and I even made these a little bit smaller. I adjusted it down. I had it set for about 4.5 feet, and they were still coming out about 5 feet, and so I knocked it down just a little bit, so they weren't quite, they're probably just under 5 feet. But that baler, that does a really good job for as old as it is. That thing makes a nice bale, a really nice bale, and it's wrapping good. These wrapped great, so I'm pretty happy with that. That's awesome. That's awesome. So there's plenty. I got plenty of bedding, but to be honest, this actually might not be bad hay for the heifers, or even maybe even the dry cows a little bit, just for some fiber, because this there's a lot more grass in here than I thought there would be. I'm guessing this over here, I'm gonna probably, later next week, depending on the rain. We're supposed to get some rain, I think, a week from today. So whether that'll happen or not, who knows. But I'll probably get to this next week. And I'm guessing that's gonna be more just foxtail, more bedding type material, because I'm grazing the cows through there right now, and it's looking a lot thinner. I think they're eating out a lot of the grasses and clover and whatnot. So I don't know, we'll see what comes of that, but I'm guessing that's probably going to be my bedding, at least most of my bedding. But that's a really good feeling. We're really bringing up the rear of the season here with yield. So, and I'm guessing as soon as I get these 2 grass fields I got to get done, I'm going to cut them tomorrow, and as soon as I'm done with those, this alfalfa is going to need to get cut for my 4th crop and get it square baled, because it's some of the foxtail's starting to head out, and it's starting to bloom too. So I got to get that cut in this window that we got here. So I got a busy next few days, that's for sure. I think we're probably going to end it there. That's it for this video. But thanks for coming along. We appreciate it as always. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss any of the videos coming out. Leave a comment down below if there's anything that you want to see, anything you're interested in, anything I'm not talking about that you're curious about. But you guys take care, and we'll see you in the next one.